Pom Pom presents German short rows. Short rows allow you to insert a wedge of extra fabric into your knitting. And this particular way is known as German short rows. You can substitute this method for wrap and turns if you like. We're using a contrast colour yarn to make the wedge obvious, but you'll use your working yarn. Your first step is to knit across your stitches until you reach the end of your planned wedge, as will be detailed in your pattern. Now turn your work. With the yarn held in front, slip the first stitch purlwise. Pull the yarn firmly back over the right hand needle so the two legs of the stitch are visible. Bring the yarn to the front of your work and continue purling the stitches until you reach the point where you want your wedge to end. Turn your work again. With yarn in front, slip the first stitch purlwise. As before, pull the yarn firmly over the right hand needle to show the two legs of the stitch. Then knit across the row until you come to the first turn stitch you made. You'll be able to identify the turn stitch as you'll see the two legs instead of a normal loop. As we were on the knit side of our work, knit through these two legs as if they were a regular stitch. We're now knitting one more stitch and then turning our work to make another short row. With the yarn in front, slip the first stitch purlwise. Pull the yarn firmly over the right hand needle. Bring the yarn to the front of the work. Continue purling the stitches until you reach the next short row turn. Again, you'll see the two legs of the turn stitch, and as we're on the purl side, this time purl through both legs of the short row turn as if they were one stitch. Purl the next stitch and turn your work. We'll now make another turn stitch as before, with the yarn in front. Slip the stitch purlwise, pull the yarn firmly over the right hand needle. We'll now finish this short row shaping, so knit the stitches until you come to the turn stitch. Knit through both legs like before, and then continue knitting to the end of the row. Purl your next row until you reach the last turn stitch. Purl through both legs of this stitch as if it was one, and then finish by purling to the end of the row. You can now see the extra wedge of fabric we've added to the middle of our knitting with the short rows.